I wasn't gonna record this, but you know what? It is part of truck driving. That, to me, is just freaking cool. F-bomb, right? You know, part of truck driving is, you know, cleaning, keeping your truck clean, organized. My truck's been really quite dirty lately, and I've been making one of these tonight. Just kind of curious how long I can make it, because why not? It's not like I need them. Found out I had some extra glad hand seals just sitting up here. Just finding a bunch of stuff that I just don't really need anymore, and it's just time to clean it all up. Some of this has been left from previous students. That's actually important, so that will go in there. Yeah, like my last student left these. I don't eat those. I guess there's some money in that. Screw it, I don't care. So that's about how long that got. I'm gonna kind of save this and see how long this gets. If anyone out there would want this, let me know. I'll ship it to you, I guess. I'll just put that up there for right now, I guess, and make it longer over time. Put my stapler back up here. Now, I'm not gonna really wash up there, so to speak. This is just cleaning this space up here. Just kind of organizing it a little bit. Knives go up on this side. My wallet goes up on that side too. My pills, about right there. And then that's it for up there. Alright, now the dash. So, I got a bucket of water right here. So I just want to make sure I don't step into that. We're going to move this up here out of the way for right now. Or try to do it up here out of the way. Alright, there we go. That works. So my student is sleeping. I was playing some music, but I had to mute that because, you know, I'm doing a YouTube video. You know, this is part truck driving. I kind of want to show you a before and then after. I'm not going to do the floor tonight. I'm just going to do this whole dash, the doors, and the windows tonight. And then the, you know, behind the curtains and the floor tomorrow. Probably wash down the cabinets. Gonna make this truck look a lot nicer. Anyway, I'll bring you guys back as I start getting this done over here. I'm gonna listen to some music. So yeah, with the power of video editing. guys, so my student is still sleeping. Just got out of the shower. We can take a look. 3 hours and 41 minutes. About 20 minutes of that was probably that shower. The rest of that was me cleaning this truck. Good 3 hours. Did try to record some of it, but this camera went out. GoPro, sometimes it agitates me. But anyway, hopefully you guys saw a good bit. You know, I'm going to speed it up. And let's just take a quick look around. So, I got the mirrors all nice and shined. I got these windows nice and clean. That's all nice and clean. That mirror. Then we did the dash. Got the steering wheel nice and pretty. Cleaned all the dust off of that. Got all that clean there. All clean over there. I got one more bit of trash at this floor. Guys, it's clean. Got my cooler clean. You can't really see it. Got the floor back there all clean. I decided to open up the curtains and kind of do all of it all at once. When the sun comes up, I'm going to go over and work on my truck. Start trying to figure out parts. I already got some parts list. A part list already started. But going to be working on the truck today. I don't know when that video is going to get uploaded. But man, talk about a lot of content. I recorded a bunch of content, and I'm not even sure if half of it I'm going to use. We will see. Anyway, if you've been watching this far along on this series, or not series, but on this video, thank you for watching. Please, throw a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.